After removing the weird shaped bolts, then the whole valve body comes out. It just comes loose. This comes off. We're going to put this with the valve body. Now let's rotate it. You got that? Okay, lock it in. Okay, so now we can grab this. We're gonna take this clutch pack. Goes this way. We're gonna put this assembly here. This assembly here. We're gonna put this over here with this. All these tools are gonna. Okay, so next thing that comes out, we're gonna pull this assembly out. Right, this was facing this way. We'll put this on the edge here to keep it from rolling. And this one on this edge here to keep it from rolling. Pull this one. Okay, and then we're in here. We have a snap ring. We're gonna have to get. Okay, so this is coming out. Second snap ring coming out. Okay, let's keep them in exact order. Okay.
Little shavings in there.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a piston assembly.
Looks like there's a snap ring there.
Oh yeah, another snap ring down there, huh? Okay, so maybe a pick tool. Okay, so this we'll put over here like that. Okay, then this, oh, come on, this return spring. We're gonna wipe all this stuff off here though, because some of that is, I think, us trying to get that snap ring out. Some little marks on there. Okay. That assembly comes out like that. Okay, and then down here in the bottom we got a thrust washer, right? We got all of our gears and stuff. And that is everything. Output shaft. Okay. All right, so that is gutted. Now, this has a snap ring, right? Disassembly.
¿Tienes el tema? O sea, rápido, güey, ¿no? Nice.
Okay, so there's that one. A big thrust washer here on the bottom, see?
That's not the copper thing, no?
Okay, so this is our hard parts. Okay, so this drum here, right? We got a ring gear here. Okay, then we got a planetary gear set of some kind. So, right, planetary gears. Okay, and we got some bearings and stuff in there. But see these gears? None of these are broken or anything.
Yeah, they don't look damaged.
Right, nothing looks damaged. So leave this here like this, just like that. I'm gonna put this back in here.
You don't want to wipe that down first?
No, that's okay. Put that back in there, just like that, just like we found it. Then I'm gonna put this in there next. Okay, this thrust washer.
It's right here.
No, this one right here. See?
What about that?
That one goes on top.
Oh, okay.
So this gear set here, whoop,
Ooh.
goes in here like this. Like that, right? Okay, all the way down. Thrust washer was sitting on top here. Okay, and the snap ring. No, wait.
What was that one?
It was that one.
Yeah.
Okay. So it just seems really big. But that's it, yeah. Okay, so that snap ring, we're gonna put that.
You don't have to replace those?
No, we're gonna just lose it. Sometimes it's only the damage. Turn this way.
Nice.
Okay, so this part where our hard parts were already back together, because we're not gonna that's good. There's no need to leave it out. We might as well just put it right back in the transmission. This assembly here is a piston assembly. Let's see what's inside this side here.
Snap ring.
Snap ring right here. So let's look in here and see what's in here. Usually the hard parts are in the bottom, and the clutches and stuff are higher up. There we go. Snap ring there, coming off. Does that come out like that? Yes. Oh yeah, that's a clutch pack for sure in there or something. Okay, so, oh wait, more clutches there. Okay, so that's off there. We're gonna
Check them.
that plate looks good.
Is that not we don't have to clean that?
I'm not the world's most worried. I kind of want to see it, and I'm gonna put it back together. Then, if we see bad stuff, we'll take it back apart. But these are okay. Mainly, we're after the cause of the transmission failure right now. Then we know what to order. These new transmissions they're in many ways they're easier than the old ones.
Yeah.
And they don't blow up like the old ones as much. I'm not saying that they don't blow up, but this one's a little discolored compared to the others, but it's not terrible. Okay, I'm gonna put this just kind of in there so we don't lose anything. Okay, so that one we checked it, right? That one seems okay. Question is this piston here. This piston seal or something could be blown. But is this clutch pack okay? Let's see. Okay, so this one, there was a snap ring in here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that snap ring went all the way down there. Okay, that was good there. Then it had this springy plate, like that. Then it had this wavy plate. That's to help make the cushioning of the clutch packs. Okay, we got a steel. It looks like it's got a little bit of scoring, but nothing terrible. Okay, so it's not great, but it's not terrible. Okay. 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 Nothing burned up in this clutch pack. Okay, and that was there, right? Okay, so whoops, we're right to there. Okay, at that point. Now we'll get into here. Okay, so there's no clutch packs or nothing there, so we'll leave that like that. No clutch packs or nothing here, so we're gonna leave that alone. Okay, make sure this doesn't roll off the table. So this is where we're at now. So we're going to take a look at this one. You want to hold that so it doesn't fall? Okay, so that one, wavy plate, right? Looks okay. It's got a little weird bluish to it, right? This one.
That one's a little sissy.
Okay, it's got a little weirdness to it. They're not cooked though. I mean, when they're really bad, they're usually, it's got a little weirdness to it, but they're not. Yeah. They're not like cooked.
But you think that could cause some slipping?
It might be slipping a little. What we might have a piston seal somewhere in the transmission that's bad, and one of these clutch packs might not be applying all the way. And it might be slipping for that reason. Oh, these are way better than the ones on the inside, right? I'm gonna get to one of these inside ones. Yeah, they definitely, look at the color difference between here and here. Yeah. So yeah, those inner ones are definitely got something going on. They're definitely getting a little cooked.